2008 Kia Sedona, the windshield wiper fluid. It started dying and then didn't come out. So here's the piece. This is really simple. Underneath the right hand passenger tire, if you look, I'm collecting the windshield wiper fluid. Here's where I pull this back, okay, and those are just held by, I'm trying to get it, here we go. They're just held by these little screws, right, that you have to take off, and you know, sometimes they're one-time use, and then they just go back in, and you just push them in, and they're all over here. You can see a bunch of them right here, so that's the easy part. Well, then you come in here, interrupting my video because I wanted to let you know before we get to the why we changed it, or how to change the pump. One of the first things you want to do is look at fuses. So, you know, here's this fuse, right? And over here, there is nothing to say anything about a windshield pump, where you have memory, audio, OBDM, TPMS, pedal, start, outlet, accessory, ignition, airbag, so sunroof. So anyway, here I don't see anything to do with the windshield wiper fluid. Okay, so in the front it says fuse and relay block. You press this button here and this one here and it comes up. And then you read and you're looking for anything that says washer. Well, guess what? Number one says front and rear washer, 10 amps. Okay, and so that's number one. That's right here. I believe it's under here, so I had to just lift this up. This just came up, and I was able to look at all the number one. That 10 amp, and I believe there was another one, but I'm not seeing it, that I thought might be worth looking at. No, I think that's only once. And so anyway, I checked that, and it was good. So I knew it wasn't the fuse. So you might want to check the fuses before you move over here and start working on the pump. All right, back to our video. As you can see, this part, it just goes right in there. It's a simple plug. And there's the front and rear, and then there's where to plug it in. So really simple. So let's get the new one in. Here's the new one. Here's the old one. The plug looks a little bit different. So let's see if this plug goes in. And voila. It goes right in. These just go right there and right there, and then this connects on top. Oops. Okay, and then we're gonna plug that in. Here's a hint. The little plastic right here hooks up to there. So you see that little hook will go inside that little plastic. So we just lift that up. That's it. Alright, let's try it out. So as you can see, it just snapped in there. Pretty simple. Alright, so we replaced it, and then I did a little test. As you can see, the water just came out fine. So, pretty simple. Actually, probably one of the simpler jobs that I've done. So, anyway, please like and subscribe. Every little bit helps. Have a great rest of your day.